Hi, Chelsey here, and welcome to my quick yoga workout. Today, our focus is going to be opening up those hips, really working in that hip socket and finding that mobility. You won't need any equipment, just yourself and a mat. All right, so we're gonna start in the middle of the mat. We'll be extending our legs to the side, so if you would like to do it the way I'm doing it, feel free, or you can face the front of your mat. All right, make your way into a tabletop position, and from here, making sure those knees are underneath those hips, we're just gonna bring the hips side to side, just warming it up a little bit before we extend them out. So finding that breath, nice and easy, taking it all the way over, feeling that stretch, and then shifting. So one more side to side, and then come back to neutral. So from here, extend that right leg out, plant that foot, and then inhale the upper body, those arms all the way up. Exhale, take it down. So as I come down, I'm shifting my hips back. Inhale, bring them all the way up, stacking that spine. Exhale, take it down. This time, inhale, stay up, and then we'll exhale, reach towards that straight leg. So really try and keep those hips in line right here. Inhale up, and then exhale, reach to that left side. Again, those hips are in line, don't let it sway up. Breathing, reaching through those fingertips. Nice on that next inhale, rise all the way up, and then one more forward fold, exhaling everything out. Sitting that hip back and feeling this beautiful stretch in the bottom of that leg. On the next inhale, we'll shift to that tabletop and bring that right leg in. All right, plant that left leg out to the side. We'll inhale the arms all the way up. Straighten the body, get nice and long. Exhale, fold it forward. Sending those hips back again. Inhale it up. And then exhale, take it down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Inhale it up. And exhale, take it down. We've got one more. Inhale it all the way up. This time, exhale, reach up and over towards that straight leg. Finding that beautiful stretch in that right side. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale all the way over to that right. If you have a block, you can use it, or just lightly planting that hand on that mat. Beautiful. Inhale everything up. Again, exhale, fold it down. Holding right here and embracing that stretch. Take a couple breaths. And then on that next inhale, shifting back to that tabletop. Beautiful. From here, I'll shift my hips back to my heels, and then you can kind of take that weight into your hands, come up onto those toes, step it forward. So just planting those feet down nice and wide, dropping those hips, and we're in our yoga squat. So really open up that chest, and again, lift through that spine. If you'd like to rock back and forth, do whatever feels good for your body right now. But remember, keep those knees open. All right, extend that right arm, planting it down. We're taking a little twist, so reaching up and back with that left arm. Again, activate those inner thighs on that left side to keep that hip open. One more breath in and out right here. And on that next inhale, slowly coming back to that yoga squat in the center. Pressing and opening. Breathing, maybe rocking side to side again. All right, other side. Extending that left arm out nice and long, and then twist and reach that right arm up towards the sky. You can take that gaze up there too, continuing that twist in that spine. Another inhale, exhale, and slowly come back to that yoga squat. Again, find that activation in those inner thighs. Now from here, press into the ground, stand it all the way up. Beautiful. Drop those arms and bring the feet hip width distance. From here, inhale those arms all the way up, And then exhale, really reach flat back all the way down. Releasing that head once you make it there. And then inhale, flat back, halfway lifting. Exhale, take it down, step or hop it back. From here, shifting that weight forward, let's begin that flow. So exhale, lowering down chaturanga. Inhale up cobra, pressing those shoulders down, and then exhale, down dog. Beautiful. Walk those feet in towards each other and press those heels down one more time. From here, inhale that right leg all the way up, reaching through those toes. Relax that toe by that hip and open up that knee. Breathe right here, take a big inhale, and as you exhale, rotate that knee into the chest, step it forward. We're gonna lengthen that right arm all the way out, so really activate those inner thighs. So nice and strong in this runner's lunge. From here, inhale that right arm all the way back to meet that left or that back foot. Rotating on the sides of our feet in this beautiful sunrise. Exhale, reach and rotate all the way back. Dropping that hand, we're gonna rotate open into a nice little surfer's pose. So rotating those toes to face the back in this surfer pose. Remember, activate that inner thigh, keep that knee open, and then walk it towards the back. Beautiful, so don't let those feet go towards the front, really rotate in that hip. Keep them nice and open. Beautiful, walk it on back. We'll rotate in that hip socket back to that runner's lunge. Inhale the arms all the way up, crescent lunge. Exhale, cactus those arms back. Beautiful, inhale, reach them up. Exhale, drop them down, step it back, down dog. Bringing those toes together, exhale the knee. Exhale the heels all the way down. Inhale that left leg all the way up towards the sky, pointing those toes. Drop the toes towards the hips. Take that knee nice and wide. Allow those hips to open. Exhale, bring that knee into the chest. Step it forward, runner's lunge. From here, extending that left arm out nice and long. Activating those inner thighs and then reach all the way up and back. Rotating on the feet. Getting a nice stretch in that hip. Exhale all the way back. Rotate onto the inside of that left leg. In that right hip, and then walk it towards that right foot. Pointing both and keeping those knees nice and open. Again, walk it towards the front and rotate back to runner's lunge. Inhale the arms all the way up, crescent lunge. Exhale, cactus them open. Inhale, reach up and down. Step it back, down dog. Feet are together. From here, inhale, rise onto the heels, bend the knees, take the gaze towards the hands, and step or hop it forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, reverse swan dive all the way up. Press those hands all the way down. Beautiful. From here, we're going to go into our figure four pose. So inhale the arms all the way up. We'll exhale, swan dive it down. From here, drop those hips down, reach the arms up, chair pose. Take the hands into heart center. And then from here, whenever you're ready, take that right leg up and cross it over the left. So flex that front foot, that top foot. And if you'd like, you can place the hands on that knee, that ankle, lengthen through that spine, find that balance. If you'd like to get a little deeper, you can reach those hands closer to the ground, bringing that chest closer to that leg. That's gonna make it deeper. So breathing wherever you are and holding for 3, 2, 1. We'll slowly either go on to the hands, the ankles, back to that chest, and then slowly stand it up, dropping that right foot down. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale it down, drop those hips, reach those arms all the way up. Beautiful chair pose. Bring the hands into heart center, other side. Taking that left leg up whenever you're ready, opening up that knee, that hip, and flexing that top foot. You can stay right here, finding that balance, or if you'd like to take it a little deeper, you can place those hands on the knee and ankle, getting a little closer with that chest, or even further, lightly taking those hands onto the ground. You can even plant them there, depending on your flexibility. If not, just remembering a nice flat back, breathing right here, holding for 3, 2, 1, and slowly coming back, hands to heart center, standing up, planting that left leg down. Again, inhale those arms all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. This time, exhale, step or hop it back and begin your flow. Exhale, lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale up, cobra, and exhale, child's pose. Sit those hips back and really reach the fingertips forward. From here, I'm just gonna open up my shoulder blades by flipping my palms to face the sky and then sinking my body back down. Take 2 breaths right here. And on that 3rd inhale, we'll slowly flip the hands and rise the body up. We'll take the knees a little wider, almost to the edges of our mat, and slowly walk it back down. So really allow that chest to sink towards the mat, opening up those hips a little bit more. Remember, press them towards those heels. You can relax that forehead down. An option here to flip the palms up again. 2 more breaths. And on that next inhale, slowly walk it up. Beautiful, you can take your knees towards the inside. So here is the optional Shavasana. I recommend, instead of doing the traditional corpse pose, to go into this butterfly, planting the soles of the feet together, and then lying back. If you're gonna do it, this really helps open up those hips, and gravity does all of the work for you. Thank you again for joining me, and I cannot wait to see you next time.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.